This video will show you how to download the Realtek audio driver on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to do this, first open any web browser and search for Realtek audio driver. Now you'll see this first link, click on it. Now simply wait for it to open and then scroll down. Now here you should see this 64-bit version. Now here it says it's only for Windows 7 and Windows 8 and Windows 10. But this also works for Windows 11, so you can download it without any problem. So click this download icon. Now here you will need to scroll down and then accept this terms and condition and then click on this blue download button. Now this will ask you to enter the CAPTCHA. Simply enter the CAPTCHA and then hit submit. Once the CAPTCHA is verified, the download will start automatically. Now simply wait for the download to finish and then double click on it to run it. This will install the Realtek audio driver on your PC or laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.